So your Hisense Android Smart TV is actually showing you this no signal option, and then after some time it turns off automatically. Let me show you how to fix this. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to get your TV remote, then you press the home button. Okay, so when you press the home button, you have the home interface right here. Okay, home, shop, apps, the settings icon right there, then press OK, and then you're going to move down to device preferences, right? And then you're going to move down to power right there. Okay, so then you're going to move down to the no signal auto power off. Press OK right there. So this actually means that if there's no signal, the no signal is showing on the screen, the TV will actually power off in the accept available time. Okay, so if your TV shows no signal for 5 minutes, if this timer is set for 5 minutes, the TV actually turn off automatically after 5 minutes. If 10 minutes, after 10 minutes. Okay, so I want to make sure that we turn that off so that the TV doesn't turn off. Okay, so you're going to select the off option right there. So when you select the off option, that means even if the screen is showing the no signal, your TV won't power off, auto power off. Okay, simple, right? That's it. Subscribe for more videos.